So this story about Jesus in the temple, boys and girls, is a very important story because it talks about Mary and Joseph are just starting to see evidence of Jesus's brilliance. Okay, so we're going to be working in our Sacred Heart Kids Club booklet today, and you're going to open this past the nativity, past the presentation right here. Okay, this is called the finding of Jesus in the temple. Okay, here's Joseph and here's Mary right there, and as it said in the story, they would go to Jerusalem every year for Passover and have the celebration with lots of families together with cousins and things like that. And then they were heading home, and it turns out that they were walking together with a lot of people, and all of a sudden Joseph and Mary realized that Jesus wasn't with them anymore. And it turns out they went back, and it took them 3 days to find him, but Jesus was actually in the temple, and he was working with the teachers there. So back then, the teachers would teach from the temple, not like from a school, and Jesus was so brilliant that he was actually teaching these teachers that were a lot older than him. Okay, so that's showing that there. We have these 3 men right here who are a lot older than Jesus, and he's teaching them about God and about how to live a life that is true, good, and beautiful. And the men are learning from Jesus. So, and then Mary and Joseph, when they see him, they're worried because have you ever been lost? Like I remember when I was little, one time I was in the supermarket and I lost my mom, and it was really scary for me. But Jesus wasn't scared. He knew that he was doing God's work when he was in the temple, and he wasn't scared at all. So this is the first story we have about Jesus, even as a child, how brilliant he was as a teacher. This is Jesus, the teacher, and that he was truly special as he was because he's part of the Holy Trinity. He is God the Son. So go ahead and color this last picture here in this booklet, okay? And then you're going to share this with your classmates tomorrow. I want to see how you decide to color this first picture we have of Jesus the teacher. And so when you're done, go ahead and put this back in your red religion folder, because I want you to save it so that on tomorrow's Zoom you can share your picture with the rest of the class. All right, thank you, boys and girls.